Stop believing that transformations take months, expensive procedures, or perfect genetics. What if I told you that you can completely change how you look and feel in just 24 hours using professional salon techniques that anyone can do at home? Today I am revealing the complete step-by-step makeover system that combines hair revival, skin refinement, and confidence-boosting styling to create a head-turning transformation without surgery, filters, or luck. This is not about becoming someone else. It is about revealing the best version of you that has been hiding under dull hair, tired skin, and outdated styling. If you have been waiting for a sign to finally invest in yourself, this is it. Stay with me. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a full roadmap to your most radiant, confident, camera-ready self. Let us begin. Transformation is not magic. It is method. Every stunning before and after you see online follows the same principles. Assessment, preparation, execution, and maintenance. Most people skip assessment and jump straight to products. That is why results disappoint. Today we start with truth. Look in the mirror. What specifically bothers you? Is it flat, frizzy hair? Dull, uneven skin? Makeup that disappears by noon? Write it down. Clarity creates direction. Now, let us build your 24-hour transformation plan. Hour 0 to 4 focuses on hair revival. Start with a clarifying shampoo to remove product buildup, hard water minerals, and environmental residue. Massage scalp for 2 minutes to stimulate blood flow. Rinse with lukewarm water. Follow with a deep conditioning mask containing keratin, argan oil, or shea butter. Apply from mid-lengths to ends. Comb through with wide-tooth comb. Cover with shower cap. Leave for 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water to seal cuticles. Cool water is essential. It locks in moisture and adds instant shine. While hair mask processes, prepare your skin. Double cleanse to remove sunscreen, makeup, and pollution. First, oil-based cleanser on dry skin. Massage 60 seconds. Rinse. Second, gentle foaming cleanser with salicylic acid or niacinamide. Massage another 60 seconds. Rinse with cool water. Pat dry. Apply a chemical exfoliant with glycolic or lactic acid. This removes dead skin cells that cause dullness and texture. Wait 10 minutes. Follow with a hydrating serum containing hyaluronic acid or vitamin B5. Apply to damp skin. Wait 5 minutes. Seal with lightweight moisturizer containing ceramides. This routine resets your skin barrier and creates a smooth canvas for makeup. Hour 4 to 8 is hairstyling and skin treatment. After rinsing hair mask, gently squeeze out water with microfiber towel. Never rub. Apply heat protectant spray evenly. Section hair into 4 parts. Blow dry using tension technique. Paddle brush under each section, dryer nozzle following brush downward. Keep airflow moving. This smooths cuticles and adds volume. Once 80% dry, apply lightweight serum to ends. Finish blow drying. Hair should feel soft, look shiny, and have movement. For skin, apply a targeted treatment. If you have dark spots, use vitamin C serum. If you have redness, use Centella asiatica. If you have enlarged pores, use niacinamide. Apply only one active ingredient at a time. Wait 10 minutes. Follow with sunscreen SPF 30 or higher. Sun protection prevents new damage and allows your skin to heal. Reapply every 2 hours if outdoors. Hour 8 to 12 is makeup and styling. Start with a hydrating primer to create smooth base. Apply foundation only where needed, center of face, under eyes, around nose. Blend outward with damp sponge. Use concealer 1 shade lighter than skin tone under eyes and on high points. Set with translucent powder only in oily areas. Add cream blush to cheeks for natural flush. Define brows with tinted gel. Apply neutral eyeshadow, thin eyeliner, mascara. Finish with lip tint or gloss. Less is more. The goal is enhanced, not masked. Style your hair based on your face shape. Oval face, try soft waves or sleek ponytail. Round face, add height at crown, keep sides smooth. Square face, soften angles with face framing layers. Heart face, add volume at jawline. Use curling wand for waves, take 1-inch sections, wrap around barrel away from face, hold 5 seconds, release. Do not brush curls. Finger comb for natural texture. Finish with light hold hairspray. Hour 12 to 16 is outfit and confidence building. Choose clothing that fits your current body, not your goal body. Well-fitting clothes instantly elevate appearance. Pick one statement piece, a bold lip, structured blazer, or signature accessory. Keep the rest simple. Confidence comes from feeling put together, not overdone. Practice posture, shoulders back, chin parallel to floor, relaxed smile. Record yourself speaking. Notice your tone. Speak slower. Pause between sentences. Confidence is audible. Hour 16 to 20 is final touches and photography prep. Exfoliate lips with sugar scrub. Apply overnight lip mask. Trim any stray hairs. Clean nails, apply clear polish or neutral shade. Spray perfume on pulse points. Prepare your transformation photo setup, natural light facing you, plain background, phone at eye level. Take before photos now if you have not already. Good lighting is non-negotiable. Window light is best. Avoid overhead bulbs that create shadows.